so wicked beautiful, which I really feel. Yeah, so we have green for Elsa and then pink for the back. And I got this keychain. It's the cutest thing ever. I love it. And then Robin got a matching one. She'll show you hers. But this is mine. Then I got this pick and mix. We added some sweets in there.
You'll see the video.
Yeah, you'll see the video on Robin's channel. But yeah, here are the sweets. You got them. Then at Penny's, I also got these My Melody triple packets from Korea, so you know it's gonna be good. This was also made in Korea. It's a Prep plus perfect illuminating sheet mask, which will be so cute. And then finally, I've got Hydrate Revelis eye patches. So yeah, now it's time for her haul. We are getting such weird looking on this bus. We don't thought she had that much time left today, but I was really happy that I got a squishmallow. It looks so cute. I also got eyeshadow on it though, but okay, I'm about to take that out. But I also got strawberry milk hand cream. I got the matching keychain. Okay, let's do this quick. Speed run.